man turn up in the long line every time we collect the money.
Some
people behave like say them build the ATM machine when time they ain't got
I support people stay there like they don't know their money, like when they go them have to check their money first. But no more, thank you for your money, let me see it here. Thank you, I'm glad you see.
Yeah man, you're supposed to give me with interest. You know, see the man in a line, the big old fat stay bad man.
Oh, you give a joke about the man, I tell you, say the man going at the ATM and me over there, me a draw, so me go withdraw 25,000 and now me only here. Mama.
Wait, it's a robbery this.
Jesus Christ.
Give me all the money.
We don't this.
No.
Which don't tell me say you come again. Now tell me say you come back in here again. Come out of me.
Wait,
come out of me car. Come out of me car. Come. Listen, if me gun bigger than your
one. Tell the truth when me come. I never have nothing else to use. I'm gonna use this.
Why you coming at me car, sir?
Well, let me like it. Because I also see and I want to tell you how long. I have to find out if I tell you. But if you act like a bad man so that you want me to.
Come out of my car.
You don't draw money, but get something now.
Me say come out of my car.
The last time the 100 we give me never good. Like my car, you go buy something and them say not good.
No, but you pass the place now. Come out of my car.
So you say you go deal with me?
How you coming here? How you coming here?
You don't let the door open again.
How you coming here?
You left the door open. You give me a little money an
hour.
Yeah,
me look for silver.
No silver.
You did give me more money put on? You're bright. You're bright and out.
You can't give bad man silver.
You did give me money put on, and that we don't know beg.
I don't want no silver.
Anytime we don't beg people money, you don't want, give them the option, but you don't want silver and you don't want this.
Where you come up for youth?
Wait.
Come in, Shipley, come in, because I eat at this.
Watch ya. So, I feel it's a gun. And this.
So your boyfriend this?
Wait. So add pepper make me run out here?
Your boyfriend this?
You got burn me up with your gun, sir?
Take man for
give me what you have. Give me what you